I'm Tony Janko with the Janko Realty Group, and today I'm excited to share with you this beautiful new listing in Danville, 815 Copperfield Lane. There is so much to tell you. To start with, it's a custom-built 5-bedroom, main-level master brick ranch with over 5,000 square feet of finished area on almost 2 acres. The main level features hardwood floors, custom wood trim, beautiful Pella windows, and 9-foot ceilings. This main kitchen area enjoys double ovens, a glass cooktop, solid wood cabinetry, center island, beautiful granite countertops and backsplashes, and beautiful high-end appliances. Also on the main level is an office area, living room, a dining room, a breakfast nook with a bay window overlooking the large 26 by 12 balcony. The large 21 by 15 master bedroom has its own balcony with a private deck area. It also has 2 oversized closets and an additional 10 by 10 room that would be perfect for a second office or even a nursery. The master bath has dual vanities, a large jetted tub, and a recently remodeled walk-in shower. Upstairs are 2 additional large bedrooms, a full bath, and a storage room that has easy access, walkable access to the attic with, a few hundred extra square feet of storage. Of course, the basement isn't just an ordinary basement, it's a walkout basement that features 2 large bedrooms, a full bath, a family room, and get this, a full second kitchen. This second kitchen also enjoys granite countertops, solid wood cabinets with soft close drawers, a large center island area, and stainless appliances. It's the perfect in-law area. This home has a 3-year-old roof and dual HVAC systems. In addition to the oversized 3-car side load garage that's finished, double doors off the main garage lead to a huge 13 by 21 square foot finished storage area. Out back is just as amazing as the rest of the home. With a total of 1.94 acres, it's the second largest lot in this neighborhood, Danville's Woodfield on Washington. Beautifully wooded, this property features a relaxing creek running through it with a custom-built 32 by 8 bridge. Keep watching the rest of this video for the professional photos and the drone footage. And if you have any questions or would like to see it in person, give me a call, Tony Janko, 317-414-9355. Thanks!